Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your earbuds Edifier Neo Dots from the application. So, if we open Edifier Connects application, right here we have a button to remove these earbuds. So, how to do this? We need to disconnect these earbuds from the phone, and you have few options how to do this. First one, you can put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. And now we will see that there's no devices in the application. But once you open the charging case, your earbuds will reconnect to your phone and you will have it here. Also, we can go to the settings and then connected devices or Bluetooth. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then we have two options, is to disconnect and to unpair. So I just disconnected, and right now, as you can see, no devices, but the case is open. But also we can unpair it. If you don't need these earbuds at the device list, you can select to unpair. So right now, firstly, we return here. I just connected, so I have it here. And now let's totally remove these earbuds from the phone. So forget device. And now we return to the application and there's no devices here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.